this is Amina and welcome to SW's special election show Mood Tiranga. Yesterday, the first phase of polling for the general elections took place. Total of 102 parliamentary seats went into polling. Pollings were held across 21 states and union territories. But there was a state where some districts saw zero voter turnout. This was in the northeastern state Nagaland. A total of 6 districts in Nagaland saw no voter turnout. The reason for this is that the public from these 6 districts abstained from voting. They did this as a form of protest. The demand of the public in Nagaland is for a separate state. The public from these 6 districts abstained themselves from voting as a form of protest over this demand for a separate state. An organization named Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO had urged people in 6 districts of the region to not vote in the elections as a form of protest. These 6 districts have over 4 lakh voters. The public in these districts remain indoors on the polling day in order to show solidarity with ENPO. A total of 738 polling stations were stationed in these 6 districts. Now let's talk about why this demand for a separate state and what is this ENPO. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization has been demanding a separate state since 2010. This demand is for a state, Frontier Nagaland. It is said that these 6 districts, Mon, Tonsang, Longlang, Kipher, Shamator and Noklak have been neglected from all the fronts. This area has 20 seats in the 60-member state assembly. These 6 districts are inhabited by 7 Naga tribes: Konyak, Khyamnyongan, Chang, Sangtam, Tikhir, Phom and Yikhim Yung. The demand is to carve out a separate state out of Nagaland and declare a public emergency in these districts. They say that these districts in Eastern Nagaland have remained neglected even after obtaining statehood 60 years ago. Reports say that 20 MLAs from the ruling BJP and its ally NDPP from Eastern Nagaland also did not turn up to cast votes. The Chief Minister of Nagaland, after casting his vote, said that he has no problem with ENPO as it already recommended powers for the region. Home Minister Amit Shah had also held talks with the ENPO ahead of assembly polls last year. According to reports, the Chief Electoral Officer has issued notice to ENPO after this. NDTV in an article has quoted ENPO. ENPO says that the decision of not voting was a voluntary initiative by the people and legal action against it is not applicable. NDTV report says that the ENPO had told ECI about their decision to not cast vote in elections. ENPO is quoted saying that this decision was not taken lightly and it reflects sentiments of people of Eastern Nagaland. ENPO had issued a similar call back during the assembly polls in 2023, but they had later withdrawn it after assurance from Amit Shah. So, the public from these districts abstained from exercising their voting rights and around 4 lakh votes are gone. In a democracy, the solution to every problem is voting. While not voting, you are not only complicating your problem but also you are harming the democracy. Do let us know what you think about this decision of people from East Nagaland to abstain from voting. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.